Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I repair a John Deere seat if it's cracked. There's multiple ways, but this is the way I do it. As you can see, the seat's pretty well cracked everywhere. It needs a new one, but I don't want to spend a couple $100, so I'm going to degrease it here. I'm going to say some brake cleaner here. I'm just going to spray a little bit in there. Seats, clean it up really good. I'm just going to use some compressed air, and I'm going to use some shoe goo to fill in the cracks. All right, I'm gonna scrape off the excess here a little bit on the vinyl seat here. All right, clean your hands really good because you're gonna be touching some 3M vinyl tape. You don't want to put the grease behind there. So you need to buy some 3M vinyl tape there. I bought this one on Amazon. Fill in this ridge before I stick it on this side of the seat. Underneath the seat. All right, that's all I do. Dry for a day. If it does peel back a little bit, touch it up, but that'd be good enough for me. Like I say, if the tape peels off, you can just add a little more, but I did this to my old personal mower, which I drive every year, and it's been good for 2 years. And I only touched it up once, so it lasts pretty good. All right, if you like this video, press the thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.